Hello, my name is Mr. Harmless, and I'm going to be instructing you today. I'd like to welcome you to my professional development on developing online tutorials. A little bit about me. As I said, my name is Mr. Harmless. Been teaching for 19 years. Most of those years math. The last year and a half, I've been a dean at Danville High School, which I think most of you probably already know. But I appreciate the fact that you've joined me today, and I hope that I have something good for you to learn. Well, as I mentioned, this professional development is about how to develop the online tutorial. I'm obviously going to have a leaning towards math, but hopefully in any other subject area you will find things that you can pick up and learn from here. We're going to be thinking about what next year might look like, and so that's the primary goal of what this particular professional development is about, helping us determine and plan what we can do for next year. And I'm hoping that what you learn from this will make some of those things that we need to do online easier. We're going to be talking about two basic areas. The first one is the technology basics, the basics of how to create things that we are presenting to our students that are online or shared in a digital format. Many of us, I think, get bogged down with the technology side of what we're attempting to do when we're trying to teach our students. But, and I can only speak for myself, I know that for myself, sometimes I get so bogged down in that side of it, trying to figure out exactly how to make it interesting and cool on the tech side of it, I forget to put hardly any effort into the actual content that I'm presenting. Whereas before, I put a lot of effort into the content. When I was in the classroom, I put a lot of effort into the content, thinking about what I was actually delivering to my students. And so hopefully this professional development will help you at least settle some of the technology basics, but I also hope to present a little bit of information about the actual content that you're going to share and the suggestions that I have related to this. So if you're ready for this, we're going to jump right in. Down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a link that says next, so you can go next to go to the next portion of this training. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you have lots of things that you learn, and when it's all over, I will have an option for you to ask some follow-up questions for additional training. So write those things down as we're going along. Alrighty, thanks.